everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Arlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this poly nail extension kit. It is by this brand right here. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is all the different colors it comes with. It comes with glitter, all of this fun stuff. It has everything that you need to do this. It comes with the different nail shapes, and this is what you're going to press to make your nail extensions themselves. So you just kind of figure out which size you need and then go from there. It comes with a LED nail lamp as well. It comes with a brush and picker. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like. So you see you have your brush on that side, and then you have your picker on that side. It comes with this right here, and it says Slip Solution for Poly Nails Extension Gel. So it comes with that right there. It comes with a file, and then it comes with a top coat and a base coat right there. And I like the fact that the lids are different colors, so you can kind of know which one just by like grabbing it if you have everything set out. And then it does come with a little user manual that will show you step by step on how to do it. So I'm going to do these on my daughter, but let's go ahead and see how they are actually done. Okay, and this is how they turned out. This is my first time ever doing it, and I think it's an okay job. I left different lengths so that you can see the different lengths that you can get. That's pretty. I even did a short one. If you're not big on long nails, they're definitely pretty. I did different shapes too. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.